This region may hold the key to the future of our climate as global warming takes hold. It's one of the remotest and coldest places on the planet. For much of the year, temperatures fall to -40 degrees Celsius, freezing everything solid, including the ground. But hidden in this frozen ground known as permafrost is a potential climate disaster. It's called methane, and it's a far more powerful greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. The danger is, if the permafrost is to melt as the result of global warming, it could release methane in a massive scale. Ecologist Katie Walter believes that it's already beginning to happen. She's studying the lakes that cover the region.
The permafrost contains a very large pool of organic carbon. It's dead plant matter. And that dead plant matter, when it is thawed out in the bottoms of the lakes, it's a food source for organisms that produce methane. They eat the dead plant matter and they burp out methane. Methane is the byproduct of their digestion. And it bubbles up from the lake sediments and gets trapped in the ice.
The trouble is, if these are bubbles of methane, it won't stay trapped in the ice for long. When the ice thaws in spring, the gas will escape. There's one sure way to check just how much methane is in these bubbles, because it's highly flammable. Well, not that flammable.
When you poke a hole into those pillows of methane, you get this stream of gas that comes out, and depending on the size of your hole, you can get a very large stream of gas. So when you light that, you get a very large flame. And you have to be careful because sometimes you can singe your eyebrows.
Whoa. These bubbles can be found all over the place. There must be enormous amounts of methane being released here, and that has serious implications.
And then heats the atmosphere, contributing to global warming, which then causes more permafrost to melt and more methane to be produced, and it's sort of this vicious feedback cycle. We think of this permafrost here like as a time bomb waiting to go off.